Hi and welcome. Today we'll be doing a modified bloom with this heart-shaped MDF board. So I have all my colors here for you. This one is Primary Magenta by Amsterdam. This one is Dioxazine Purple by Golden Open. This is TLP Fairy Floss. This one is Pebeo Green Blue and also Pebeo Red Blue. And I'm using a white and a black cell activator. They're both from Amsterdam Paints. Just trying to show you the consistency of my cell activator. It's probably better to show you the white one. I think the white has to be slightly thicker than the black. And this is my modification tool. It's just like a little skewer, wooden skewer. Don't forget to use gloves when you paint. And and I'm using Color to Go for my base, for my pillow. It's an off-white. It's it has a little bit of color in it. I'm adding Dioxazine Purple first. Then the Pebeo Red Blue. Then the Green Blue Pebeo. Then the TLP Fairy Floss. And finally the Primary Magenta by Amsterdam. So now my cell activator, I'm going to change the angle of the camera so you can see how I blow on the puddle. First white, then my black, and then you have to be pretty quick with afterwards so that the paint doesn't sink. Now I'm just gently blowing, trying to gently blow on top a bit, and then I'm going to the side. Try not to get too close to the puddle of paint. Try to back up a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to let the cells develop a little bit before I start to modify and spin. I'll just show you a close-up of the cells. Now for the fun part, the part I like the best. I'm just going to run my stick through the painting and then on the outside. It's just random. No rhyme or reason that where you have to go or what you have to modify. And I'm just trying to find the last little bits here. You just look at the composition and you just see what, you know, looks good. And you just stop when you like it, and don't do it too much because then it'll start looking really busy. I try to keep my puddles small to begin with when I first add the paint, so that I don't lose the outer edge of the bloom and the modification. Okay, now I'm done. I'm just going to add some more paint around the edge, just so that when I spin, it flows out. I might not have to do this, but I want to make sure it moves, and you need the paint close to the edge so that it spins out properly. Oh, I'm going to do a couple more little things here, and then I'll spin. Okay, I think I'm done, and I'm just going to show you a little bit of a close-up. I'll let this dry, and I'll show you the dried result at the end of the video. So here it is, my dried result. Dried really nice. There you go. Okay, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.